What up, it's your boy Mark over at DLUX Motorsports. Just want to do a quick video on this Chevy Camaro SS. I'm gonna do a quick startup. Straight beasting, boys. Anyway, we'll have she sounds good as stuff, good as can be. Obviously, I only thought that the vehicle had an aftermarket exhaust based on what the people told me that I bought it from, but this car actually has a ton more upgrades. So I'll have a full list tomorrow, more pictures and videos of the car, and then a final price after I go through it. So anyway, holla at your boy Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Let's go.